Hello guys, this is one legitimate site where you can make money online, and this site is called Sproutful. So on Sproutful, you earn 50 points when you sign up. Okay, and the 50 points is equivalent to $0.5 cents. So I'm going to walk you through some important aspects and what you need to know before you get started with Sproutful.com. If you are new to my channel and this video is the first time, if this is your first time watching my video, do well to stay with me through this video to the end. And one thing I do encourage those who work with me, even on my WhatsApp community, is that when you see a video from me, you know that this video and this update has paid. Okay, so for educational purpose, Sproutful.com is an app or website that tend to pay you for giving your honest opinion. Okay, so we'll look at a few things before you click on the get started button and then you continue with the registration process. Okay, so one thing you need to understand is the minimum payout is $5. That is the minimum payout, and you can cash out into your PayPal account, and as well you can be able to cash out with gift cards. There are varieties of gift cards like the Amazon gift card, the Play Store, Apple gift cards. Okay, so here is how it works. Now you earn reward and make an impact in 3 simple steps, which are these. You have to, number one, you need to register. You need to sign up by clicking on join now. That is the first step. And then second steps, you need to start taking surveys. So you need to take your first survey. Okay, and then the third step, you get paid. You claim your reward. You can redeem your points with 200 plus payouts, but know that the cash out for these updates, this Sproutful, is 500. The minimum cash out is 500 points, which is equivalent to $5. So if you register and then you're able to get this as a registration bonus, 550 points, then you'll be left with 450 points. Okay, so for those who are not in the United States or United Kingdom, and then probably you are thinking of using VPN, there is something I would like you to understand. Yeah. Alright, so on this part, it's saying that do not use. Okay, so I need to highlight this part for you to see. Do not use VPNs. Okay, but you may be able to access this with a proxy. All right, so if you are not in the United States, you can access it with a proxy as well. And this update can be done on the phone, and also you can make use of Sproutful on your PC. So how much I can earn with Sproutful? Alright, so if you read through, it's saying that you will not be able to replace, if you are desperate that Sproutful is going to replace your full-time job. Okay, it's not going to be possible. Alright, but with Sproutful you can earn enough to cover your basic needs, and you can redeem your earnings as a prepared Visa gift cards and varieties of gift cards. Okay, so the withdrawal time, some persons will be like, how long does it take for the withdrawal to arrive? Okay, so when you make a withdrawal, you'll be able to see your cash within few hours, probably within 24 hours. So for me, 24 hours, within 3 hours, you know, Sproutful brought joy. Okay, so if you are looking for an alternative to make money online as a part-time job, I would recommend Sproutful.com. So just go to your browser and then you search for Sproutful.com. Okay, and then you go down and click on join. You come down here and click on join now, and immediately you click on join now, you'll be asked to put in your email address to verify. So once you put in your email address, you'll be asked to put in the password and then verify your account. So guys, if this video is worth your time, I will encourage you to sign up and start earning from Sproutful.com. This is survey payout. You can join my WhatsApp community from the WhatsApp link in the channel description. Okay, and likewise, I would like you to subscribe to my channel if this is your first time. To subscribe to my channel, this will help me to drop more updates like this, and watch other videos on my playlist. You see many survey sites that will help you to accumulate funds. Okay, thank you as you subscribe, and do well to follow up with my updates. See you in the next video.